Hey guys, let me show you how to create unlimited AI images using Cloudflare Workers for free. So you will be able to create free images using Cloudflare Workers. So to get started, go to Google and search Cloudflare dashboard, and you will be able to click here, create your Cloudflare account if you don't have already one. When you logged in and you are on your Cloudflare dashboard, go to Compute, Workers and Pages, and here click Create Application, click Start with Hello World, click Deploy. So now we set up our first worker, and to get started with AI generated images, click Add a Binding, and here click on plus binding. Search for Workers AI, click on Workers AI, click Add Binding, give it a name like AI for example, and click Add Binding. After this is done, you will be able to click Edit Code, and here I will link in this video's description the URL from where you will be able to get the full code for the Workers AI. This is it. So here on this page, click Copy raw file, go back to your file, select all, clear everything, and paste the code that you copied from here, paste it here, and click Deploy. So after this is finished, go back, and we need to do one more step and we are ready. So the final step is go to Settings, and here in the Variables and Secrets, click Add, and click Secret. And it is very important to add API underscore key with uppercase letters. So write exactly like I write here, API underscore key with uppercase letters, and add your value, anything that you wish. I write test in this case and click deploy. So we done this, and afterwards we can go and click on workers, and we have created our worker. This is our worker URL, so we can go and copy this worker URL for example, and go to Aimogen settings. Aimogen is linked in this video description. It is a plugin which can use Cloudflare to generate images, Cloudflare Workers. So go to settings of the plugin, API keys, and here scroll down until you see Cloudflare Worker URL. So add the URL here that you copied from Cloudflare, and also add the secret that you entered, exactly the secret that you entered in the Cloudflare Workers secret. So be sure to enter exactly the secret that you added here in Cloudflare settings, and also copy the URL that you created for your Cloudflare worker. Now click Save Settings, and we will be able to use Cloudflare Workers to generate unlimited royalty-free, unlimited AI-generated images for our plugin. So now go ahead and test this. The fastest way to test this is in the playground. So AI Playground, you will find a shortcode and a tab for Cloudflare Workers images, and right here anything, click submit, and you will be able to wait a bit and see the Cloudflare Workers generated image right here in the plugin. So this is just a test. If you want to go this live and to use this, go to bulk AI post generators, and here you will be able to set up rules and campaigns which are going to generate posts in bulk for you using AI. And now you will be able to use Cloudflare Workers to generate AI images for these posts. So cats and dogs, for example, this is a topic, and click settings, and in the AI generated image source, So article featured image source, select Cloudflare Workers, and article image source, select also Cloudflare Workers. So this will allow the plugin to set featured image for posts using Cloudflare Workers and article images using still Cloudflare Workers. Now let's save. And after this is saved, we will be able to run this rule. And this takes a couple of minutes to finish, but I will pause this video and resume it when it is done. Okay, so the article is ready. It is here, and let's refresh it. So here are the images created by the AI. So you can change the AI model which is used. So to do this, we can go to models, and here in the workers AI, we can select, so when you create the code, you can select between these models. So choose model from the following list, and this is the model which is used. Currently the stable diffusion X1 base 10, but you can select any model that you wish and paste the model name here. So using this model that is listed here, you can also change it to all these models. So you can select an advanced model for this. For example, stable, the Black Forest Labs is a nice model, and you can also use any other stable diffusion, last stable diffusion XL. So this is used, and you can change it to other models. So go ahead guys and check it. You can use it also in the chatbot, because the chatbot also can generate images. You can use it to generate articles in Omniblocks, in content editor. You can set featured images for newly published articles using this AI generated image method. And yeah, so Aimogen is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments. This is all. Bye bye.